Get ready for some heavy-duty fun with the Top Race RC Remote Control Dump Truck toy. This impressive toy features an 11-inch by 5.7-inch design made of alloy metal and plastic, ensuring durability and performance. With 4WD and heavy rubber tires, it's ready to tackle any terrain with ease. The Top Race RC Dump Truck is a 6-channel full-functional remote-controlled construction vehicle. You'll have complete control over its movements, including forward, backward, left, right, and the ability to raise and lower the dump bed. Plus, with lights and sounds, you'll feel like you're on a real construction site. With a 2.4 GHz remote control, you can operate the truck from up to 100 feet away. And thanks to its advanced technology, you can control multiple RC trucks simultaneously without interference. It's perfect for epic construction site battles or coordinating complex maneuvers. This RC dump truck comes ready to run in a 1/18 scale. It includes a 4.8V rechargeable battery for the truck itself, while the transmitter requires 2 AA batteries, not included. With everything you need right out of the box, you can start playing and exploring right away. Looking for the perfect gift? Look no further. The Top Race RC Remote Control Dump Truck toy is a great gift for any occasion. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, this toy is sure to delight and entertain your loved ones for hours on end. So why wait? Get your hands on this awesome RC truck today.